Don't scroll. You're hearing this for a reason. God wants you to know He has not forgotten you. The pain you felt, the waiting you endured, the tears that no one saw, none of it was wasted. God is working, quietly, faithfully, behind the scenes. He's aligning everything for your good. Even when you can't see it, He's still moving. Every heartbreak had a hidden purpose. Every closed door was God's protection. He wasn't rejecting you. He was redirecting you. He was saving you from what you didn't know was coming. You were never being punished. You were being prepared. The story isn't over, my friend. Your comeback will be greater than your setback. Listen. The same God who turned water into wine, who split the sea for Moses, who raised the dead to life, is still the same God today. He can open doors no one else can. He can turn your pain into purpose and your delay into destiny. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Don't quit now. You're almost there. God is saying to you right now, I'm restoring what you lost. I'm healing what broke you. I'm sending people who will love you right and blessings that will overflow. Stay faithful. Keep trusting. I'm not finished with you yet. Soon, your story will inspire others. What the enemy meant for harm, I will use for your elevation. You didn't come this far by accident. Every battle had a lesson. Every scar carries strength. You may not understand it today, but one day you'll look back and say, that's why it had to happen. Because if it wasn't for the struggle, you wouldn't have found your faith. If it wasn't for the pain, you wouldn't have discovered your power. So today, release the worry. Let go of fear. Trust God's timing. He's writing a new chapter, filled with peace, with joy, and with answered prayers. Your waiting season is ending. Your winning season is beginning. God is saying, my child, your time is now.